Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will look at 20 important current affairs questions from the 12th of March 2026. Let's start the quiz. Question 1. Who inaugurated the new office of the National Dam Safety Authority in New Delhi on the 12th of March 2026? A. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. B. C. R. Patil. C. Nitin Gadkari. D. Piyush Goyal. Correct answer, B. C. R. Patil. Question 2. Where is the newly inaugurated office of the National Dam Safety Authority located? A. Pragati Maidan. B. Chanakyapuri. C. R.K. Puram. D. Dwarka. Correct answer, C. R.K. Puram. Question 3. Which global conflict recently caused volatility in oil prices and stock markets? A. Russia-Ukraine war. B. US-Iran conflict. C. Israel-Palestine war. D. China-Taiwan conflict. Correct answer, B. US-Iran conflict. Question 4. On the 12th of March 2026, the BSE Sensex fell by around how many points? A. 300. B. 500. C. 829. D. 1200. Correct answer, C. 829. Question 5. Which index closed around 23,639 points on the 12th of March 2026? A. Sensex. B. Nifty 50. C. Nasdaq. D. Dow Jones. Correct answer, B. Nifty 50. Question 6. Which rare migratory bird was recently spotted in Gujarat? A. Siberian crane. B. Blue and white flycatcher. C. Golden oriole. D. Bar-headed goose. Correct answer, B. Blue and white flycatcher. Question 7. The blue and white flycatcher mainly breeds in which region? A. South America. B. Europe. C. East Asia. D. Africa. Correct answer, C. East Asia. Question 8. Which type of bridge was recently in news regarding renovation at Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port? A. Arch bridge. B. Bascule bridge. C. Suspension bridge. D. Beam bridge. Correct answer, B. Bascule bridge. Question 9. What is a bascule bridge? A. Floating bridge. B. Movable bridge that lifts to allow ships to pass. C. Bridge made of arches. D. Underground bridge. Correct answer, B. Movable bridge that lifts to allow ships to pass. Question 10. Which airport was hit by Iranian drones during the conflict escalation? A. Dubai International Airport. B. Bahrain International Airport. C. Doha Airport. D. Tehran Airport. Correct answer, B. Bahrain International Airport. Question 11. Which type of US aircraft reportedly crashed in Iraq? A. F-Solar fighter. B. Boeing KC-135 Stratotanker. C. B-51 bomber. D. F-35. Correct answer, B. Boeing KC-135 Stratotanker. Question 12. Which state aims to become India's first trillion-dollar sub-national economy? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Maharashtra. C. Gujarat. D. Karnataka. Correct answer, B. Maharashtra. Question 13. Which upcoming national exercise will include transgender-headed households data? A. National Sample Survey. B. Economic Census. C. Census 2027. D. Population Survey. Correct answer, C. Census 2027. Question 14. Which event recognized entrepreneurs and innovators in Kerala? A. Kerala Startup Summit. B. Times Business Awards Kerala 2026. C. India Business Expo. D. Global Startup Awards. Correct answer, B. Times Business Awards Kerala 2026. Question 15. Which cricket tournament concluded recently with India as co-host? A. Champions Trophy. B. ICC T20 World Cup 2026. C. Asia Cup. D. World Test Championship. Correct answer, B. ICC T20 World Cup 2026. Question 16. Who was named Player of the Series in the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? A. Virat Kohli. B. Sanju Samson. C. Rohit Sharma. D. Babar Azam. Correct answer, B. Sanju Samson. Question 17. Which bowler took the most wickets in the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? A. Jasprit Bumrah. B. Trent Bolt. C. Shaheen Afridi. D. Pat Cummins. Correct answer, A. Jasprit Bumrah. Question 18. Which two countries co-hosted the 2026 ICC Men's T20 World Cup? A. India and UAE. B. India and Sri Lanka. C. Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. D. India and Pakistan. Correct answer, B. India and Sri Lanka. Question 19. Which court issued a non-bailable warrant against Farooq Abdullah in the JKCA case? A. Delhi High Court. B. Jammu Court. C. Srinagar Court. D. Supreme Court. Correct answer, C. Srinagar Court. Question 20. Geopolitical tensions in West Asia raised concerns about disruption in which key shipping region? A. Panama Canal. B. Strait of Malacca. C. Strait of Hormuz. D. Suez Canal. Correct answer, C. Strait of Hormuz. If you liked this quiz, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for daily current affairs quizzes. Thank you for watching.